Here we have this unit, uh, DSKV9503 WBE1, and we have this intercom indoor unit DS-KH6220 WTE1. So both of them are PoE powered. So let's power up. Okay, so I connect with the switch, PoE switch, and then this one also. Okay. Okay, so let's do first with the outdoor unit. Select language, of course English. Next, set the password. Okay, so both are the same. Next, so here, if you have email, so better use the security question. So I'll just put only okay. Next, so this is wired network because I connect with UE. Next, so if I put DHCP, enable this one, so it will get the range of the IP available in the network. Next, so if you want to connect with mobile, you can also, but we will connect with the screen. Okay, so the IP is 6.56, right? So next, in the screen, select language and put the password, same password. Okay, both are the same. Activate. So here, need to enable 6.68. Okay, so that's normal. It will turn off immediately once it will search for the available IP. Next, this is indoor unit. So you can change the time zone if you want. So we are +3. Okay, so time and date are correct. Then next, no need to connect with Wi-Fi because the PoE has internet already. So now we will look for 6.56 unit. So this is the unit. Okay, next, we don't have any indoor extension. Okay, finish. Okay, so you will see here no warning sign, so you can see now the actual footage of the outdoor. So when they call, you need to enter room number. Will call. Okay? So if you don't want that one, you just only press this one. We can also. Let's go back. Once you press this one, it will call. Okay? The default for this one is room number 1. Okay? So if you want to put password, you can by entering this one. Press and hold, then you will see this icon, the finger. It's either you will swipe left or swipe right. Okay, enter your password. Okay, person, add. So if you have card, just select this one, then tap the card, plus, then tap the card. Okay, you will swipe it down, but since we don't have. Then name, you can put also name, room number, user role. If you want to delete also, let's add card. Card here. So card registered. So card will be showed there. Okay, once you press, door is open.
Okay, for setting up password, so open your SADP, look for that device IP. Okay, double click, so it will open its web interface, and then just wait for a while. Put admin as username, then your password. Okay, so go to the configuration and then access control. So there is password settings there, you can add. So here, public password 1, enter your password. So 14789. Okay, 14789. 177, so I'll remove. Okay, so you can put both, save. Okay, now we will put the password here.
Door is
Open. Okay, so hash your code 14789, then okay.
Door is open.